explain MARPOL 7378 Annex 3, which is about the prevention of pollution by harmful substance in package form. Annex 3 helps protect the sea, protektahan niya ang dagat, from pollution caused by dangerous substances that are carried in package contains drums or tanks. To prevent pollution, harmful substances must be packed properly using a strong and packaging. This helps avoid leaks or spill during transport. So mo to i-make sure gud nila na nindot dyan ang pagka-package properly yun, kanang tarong yun, para maiwasan na ang mga pollution, leaks or spill during transport. These substances must also have the correct labels, na isaktong label, and marking the label tell people that the package contains harmful materials and that it should be handled carefully. So mao kuno to ilhanan sa tao na nagkuha ko to siya nagsud og mga harmful materials and that should be handled carefully. The cargo must also have complete documents, na documents, so di siya na mawa kay pangitaan man na dito sa puerto gasan yung transport na dyan na ang mga dokumento. These documents give information about the harmful substance and how to handle it safely. The package should be loaded, stored, and secured properly on the ship. This prevents them from moving or getting damaged while the ship is sailing. So, ginahikot. If a package damage order a spill in the crew, report it immediately and follow the correct emergency and procedures pollution. So, huwag na ako ng mga emergency, mag-follow dyan sa mga rules o i-report nyo mo sa imang mas dako pa nimo officer ninyo. Pahibaw dyan mo. In short, MARPOL Annex protects the marine environment by making harmful substance unpacked, labeled, documented, handled, and transport safely. And that's all. Thank you for listening.